Beauty here, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, no, this is not me. That's my little sister, and she is rocking this hair. Look at her. Oh my god. Like, yes, girl, you better work. Work it. Yes, you better show off that hair. Anyways, guys, this is a new method that I use for the passion twist hair. The last one that I did was with the rubber band, and I'm sure and I'm aware that a lot of you do not like rubber band in your hair and you prefer like a better and more, I guess, safer method. Well, a better and more safer method is using your own natural hair to just do it. But the rubber band method is if you're doing like bigger parting, you know, like medium size or thick parting. It just helps with that. But this hairstyle that I'm going to be doing, as you guys can tell from the title, it is the mini passion twist. The hair that I'm going to be using is the made braid hair, and I had 1 pack of the 1B and 2 pack of the 1B and 27. And so you guys can use the passion twist hair. They're all basically the same thing, but I just prefer that one because it is less silky. It kind of has that little texture to it, so it helps the hair blend easier. But it's up to you. They're all the same, honestly. Like, there's no big difference. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. As you guys can see, this one is an ombre, black to blonde. Not blonde, is this blonde? I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to be using this. So I used all 3 packs. Yes, I used all 3 packs. And this is in the style called Water Wave, I believe. Yes, Water Wave. So to start out the hair, I'm just going to free part in the back. That's easier for people who don't know how to part. Free part is the way to go because it really doesn't matter whether it's neat or not. So I am halfway there, and the back is done, and it's looking really nice. Like, look at this, y'all. It looks so good. But yes, halfway done. I think that was about 2.5 hours, if not 3 hours in. And yeah, I like how it looks. It looks so nice. And like I said, you guys see the hair are the same. It's just that this one, I feel like it blends in with the natural texture, the foisy texture a little bit more. So I'm just trying to show you guys the ends and how it's looking so nice like that. Anyways, so now moving on, you know, we gotta keep going. At that point right now, my feet was hurting me and I was like, oh, I just want to be done, but we'll keep going. So yeah, this is just me braiding. This is an easier method, no rubber band, you know, it's just braid and then twist. And like I said, the parting doesn't have to be super straight parting. It's free part, you know, just part and go.